In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use superscripts and subscripts in Obsidian. Start by opening the Obsidian app. Once the app is on screen, go to the top left area of the sidebar and click the New Note icon. A fresh note will open so you can begin typing right away. At the top of the note, enter the title. Type Superscript and Subscript examples. Say the whole title naturally as you type it, Superscript and Subscript examples, and then pause once the note title is in place. Now click into the main body of the note. Here you're going to enter a superscript example using HTML tags. Type the sentence exactly like this. The area is 100 meters less than sup greater than 2 less than slash sup greater than. Then continue with the next example on the same line or after a space, typing E equals MC less than sup greater than 2 less than slash sup greater than. This uses the sup tag to raise the number, so it displays as superscript when rendered. Press enter 2 times to leave a blank line. In this new section, type a subscript example using HTML tags. Enter water is H less than sub greater than 2 less than slash sub greater than O. Then type CO less than sub greater than 2 less than slash sub greater than emissions. This uses the subtag so the number appears lowered as subscript when Obsidian renders the line. Next, move to the top right corner and click the book icon. This switches the note into reading view. Once you're in reading view, look at the text you entered and confirm that the superscript appears raised and the subscript appears lowered. That confirms the HTML notation is rendering correctly inside the note. After that, switch back to editing view so you can continue adding more methods. Click back into the note body and type a new heading. Enter 2 number signs, then a space, then MathJax method. The heading should read MathJax method. Under that heading, type your inline math equations using $signs. Enter $x caret 2 plus y caret 2 equals z caret 2 $. Then type another inline example, $h underscore 2 o $. These entries use MathJax inline formatting, with the $signs marking the math expression inside the line. Now type another line showing how to handle multiple characters in MathJax. Enter $x caret, open curly brace n+1, close curly brace $. Then type another example, $_ open curly brace ij, close curly brace $. The curly braces group multiple characters together so the superscript or subscript applies to the full expression instead of just one character. Next, go down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, select Community Plugins. Then click Browse to open the plugin directory. In the search field, type Extended Markdown Syntax. Give that a moment to appear in the results. When you see Extended Markdown Syntax, click Install. After the install finishes, click Enable. This turns on the plugin so Obsidian can recognize the shorthand notation you'll use next. Now return to your note, click back into the editor, and add another heading. Type 2 number signs, then a space, then plugin method. The heading should read Plugin method. Under that heading, enter the shorthand superscript and subscript examples. Type 100 nealger caret 2 caret for the superscript version. Then type H tilted 2 tilde O for the subscript version. With the plugin enabled, this shorthand syntax will render the raised and lowered characters directly in your note. Wait as it loads and finishes applying the formatting. Once the rendering is complete, you'll be able to see the superscript and subscript methods working in the note. You've now used superscripts and subscripts in Obsidian with HTML tags, with MathJax inline notation, and with the plugin shorthand method. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You successfully used superscripts and subscripts in Obsidian. Congratulations!